And for my large flowers, I already have 12 centers pre-made and I wanted to make petals. I will take my wafer paper and fold it in half, cut it in half like this, and cut it on a diagonal. Now I have one side straight and one on an angle. It's so much easier to shape my petal and to shape my petals. I'm going to use the first thing I'm going to do is to cut a slit roughly in the middle and apply moisture like that. Cover it here. I will place it on a former to dry and do the same procedure with all my petals.